Now, it's important to just double check that the information Zotero is pulling into your library is completely correct. Sometimes there might be the odd bit of information missing, and as an example, I've got up a BBC News web page, and if I hover over my Zotero icon, we can see that it looks like a little newspaper. So that gives us a good indication that it understands the page. I'm going to click on that, and that has pulled the reference information into Zotero. So we can see here that we've got important stuff for a web page. We've got the access date and the URL of the web page as well. What we don't have is the full name of the author. Now, there isn't an author name for this particular article, so I probably just want to put in BBC. So this button here will toggle you between a full name field or an author surname option. So just click on that to swap back and forth between different entry methods. And now if I click on that, I can just type in BBC. So you can edit any of the fields in here, so do check that they are all correct. Now, having the opportunity to edit fields is important because just in case any of the methods I've shown you don't work, you can always go and click on this icon here, and we've got a number of different document types that you can choose from. So if I was just to click on book, you get an empty container that you could fill out yourself, and that will work in exactly the same way as any of these other entries that we've pulled off of the internet. Now, if the thing that you want to cite is not a book and doesn't appear in this list, you can always go down to more, and we'll find a huge list of different template types that you can use to populate with whatever resource it is that you're trying to reference.